move out the way. Move out the way. That shit's gonna blow up. What's up?
I was getting sure.
Yo, hold on. You wanna rev it?
Yes.
Who wants some nuts?
Okay.
Oh shit, my bad.
How many cc's is it?
900.
900.
Plug it in. Yeah. Flip the red button. This one. Click it down, and then hold it. Hold the red one down. There you go.
Got rev it?
Yeah. Good.
Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
Let me rev this one. How do I rev it? What do I do? That's like 1,000 cc's right there. Alright, you gotta be safe.
Thanks, bro.
Yeah.
Sick.
Catch on, man. Oh! You said what?
Hey, you get a burnout?
I can't do it. I got fresh tires.
Oh, bro.
Yeah.
I'm up with the bikes, bro.
Appreciate it, bro. Thank you.
Hey, what's the fastest I've been on it?
You said what?
What's the fastest?
75.
Stop the cap.
We're taking a right. Alright. Where's Big Bro? I think we got a U-turn because I think they're at the corner. You didn't see them? You want a U-turn up here and then go to that corner? Alright. Yeah, U-turn here. Oh, do we got space for that? I bet. Oh yeah, we're good. Is that him? Right here at the corner, right there. They're right in front, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. What the fuck was that? Yeah, I heard that. Oh, they bad. Oh, he's out. Oh, shit. Oh, he's out. Oh, shit. Go, move out the way. Move out the way. Oh. Holy shit. Oh. What the fuck? Hey, watch out, bro. That shit's gonna blow up. Hold on. Hey, turn off the car. Or the bike. What the fuck? Hold on. No. I know. Is he drunk or something? Where's he at? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. I don't understand what just happened.
Okay, hold on. Hey man, are you good? You said what?
Trying to get them church number.
Alright man. What the fuck, bro? Was there more? Oh, hold on, bro. Don't.
I ain't going nowhere. This is my keys, bro.
I know, but you're pulling it forward. Is it in neutral? Come on, bro. I got it, bro. Come over here.
Hey, bro. I ain't talking about.
What's up?
I'll get church.
Yo, hold on, bro. Take a seat, bro. Come here.
No.
Take. You're drunk, bro. Take a seat. Bro.
You are, man.
I know, but you gotta take a seat. You can't. You're drunk. Look, hey, bro. Just go away. Just take a seat. Take a seat on the curb.
Down, honey, in case you hit your head. Take a seat.
No, I don't want to get you.
I get that. Look, right here. Come here. You're good, bro.
Man.
I understand, bro. But you're gonna hit your head if you fall. Just take a seat, bro. You're good. Just take a seat. Look, bro. Take a seat. I know, bro.
I'm gonna
Hey, do you have my key?
Please. You got it?
Hold on. Yeah, hold on.
Okay, just take a deep breath.
Yo, it's on. I have the indicator light off. Oh shit. Take a seat, bro.
Yeah, we don't want you to fall, honey, because you're very, very unstable right now.
No, please don't call.
We're not calling. We're not calling.
Hey, come on, bro. Just do me a favor, bro.
We're not calling.
I've been out of work, bro, for a long
I know. Yeah, we're good. We got it. I know. No, it's all good. Did you get hit?
Yeah.
If anything, just give it a couple minutes.
Oh, okay.
Probably the pump's already coming through too.
Oh, okay. All right.
You don't need a pump for your safety.
You good? Hey, yo, bro, take a seat.
Hey, bro, I got you, bro.
Yeah, you're good. You're good, man. You're good.
Come here.
No, you're good.
No, you're good, bro. Take a seat.
Hey,
You're good.
bro, just listen to me, bro.
What happened?
Man, I've been out of work, bro. Just look it out, man.
I know, bro, but you got to take a seat.
Come on, man.
I know, bro. I know.
No problem.
We're not calling. We're not calling. We just want to make sure the lady's okay.
How am I saying?
But how are you gonna? Just bro, take a seat.
Take a seat, you're good.
No, I'm good.
And you're gonna hit your head. Hey, where's the other guy? Bro,
Bro, come on. Don't call cops.
take a seat.
No call.
You got take a seat, bro. I know.
You don't want that. No. We just want you to take a seat.
Just chill, okay? Are you okay? Are you good?
I'm okay.
Okay.
I was like 3 minutes away from my house, man.
All right, where'd you come from?
From my homie.
I got you.
Do me a favor, bro.
So the best thing you could do right now is just take a seat. Holy shit. My bad. You ready to go home? Let's go.